Hello everyone, I am presenting in front of you function. Uh, what is function? Function is a block of code that is designed to perform a particular task in JavaScript. Function in JavaScript is very similar to other scripting high-level languages. There are two types of function. One is predefined function, second is user-defined function. In predefined function built into the software and user-defined function created by programmer. How function works. A function works with a reserved keyword that is function. After the function keyword, we have to write function name with a pair of parentheses. After closing parentheses, the code to be executed by the function is placed inside curly brackets. One function allow us to define a block of code. Second, function can be defined using function keyword. Third, in function we included one or more parameters. In fourth, a function can be assigned a variable with different name that is called anonymous function. In five, a function can return value with return type. Here is function syntax. Function syntax here is function is this is a function keyword that is result function, and we have to give a name that is I give that is function name, and here inside the curly bracket here is the function body that we have executed in the program. That is function recursion example. Here I am sum of 50 numbers. Here I take one variable that is called sum, and in sum we take 50 numbers. In function name sum, when we call sum function, a 50 is given to here in k. Then here continue loop if condition. Here k is 50. 50 is greater than 0. Yes, greater than 0. Then return k equal 50 and plus sum plus k equal 50 minus 1. So it is 49. Then loop continue until 50 numbers. When if condition is false, then return 0.
স্লাইডটা একটু জুম করা যায়?
Then function and function recursive example. Here is a recursive function example that we take power. We check power. Power is a 3 and 2 power 3. Here we take a variable x, and into the variable we name function name power. Power is 2 and power number is 2 and power is 3. So in this parameter number and power, here 2 is cast by number and 3 is cast by power. Then I take if condition. If power 3 when equal 0, then return 1. Else return number equal take 2 and power into power into number equal take 2 and power continuously subtracted by 1. Here I am giving example of only function. Here is here I take a variable name x, and into the variable name x we take function name power. So here simply a function how works, that is given here. Then here we return number into power. The number is 2 and power is 4. It's give value 16. Then difference between function and recursive function. Their function instructions are executed repeatedly, and the code is generally bigger than faster in execution. It is only function. Then recursive function is it's called by itself, and code is generally simpler and smaller. Solar in execution. Real life example here, I am giving example that is suppose washing machine. If washing machine is a function, clothes here is a function body. Thanks all. Have you any question?